If you want to source electronic, mobile accessory, or any goods from China, I'm your guy. Hi, my name is Eric. I'm based in Huaqiangbei, Shenzhen, the center of the world's hardware supply chain. If you don't know Huaqiangbei, this is the largest electronic market on the planet. Phones, chips, cables, components, gadgets, if it exists, it's here. I don't sit in an office. I'm in the market every single day, talking directly to supply and factories. This is literally where I work. I've been doing this for 8 years with customers from US, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Here's how it works. Send me your product photo, specs, quality, and target price. I will cut out the middleman and get you the real factory price. Already find something on 6088, Taobao or Pinduoduo? Just send me the link and I will take it from there. I will handle the purchasing and consolidate everything in my Shenzhen warehouse for free. No extra cost, no hassle. Now here's something I want to be straight with you about. The quality of electronic vary widely. I don't just count boxes. I do strict quality control myself, checking materials, testing functions, and sending you real photos and videos before anything ships. What you see is what you get. For shipping, Shenzhen is a major port and I have a reliable freight partners, especially for sensitive goods, batteries, magnetic items, or branded products. I have the right channels to handle them smoothly. If you already have your own folder, compare with me. I'm confident my rates are competitive. My service fee is transparent, no hidden charges. New customer get 80% off right now. I'm not here to make a quick buck. My goal is to save you money and build something long term. DM me, tell me what you need, and let's get straight to business.